Hi, I'm Cheryl, a mass communication student from the School of Film and Media Studies, or FMS for short. Did you know that FMS is one of Singapore's most established media schools? Call me biased, but I think our facilities are a cut above the rest. Let me give you a sneak peek of how we learn and how we bring stories to life. Ready? Let's go! Lights, camera, action! This is where the magic happens. The television studio is where my friends from the film, sound and video course learn the basics of multi-camera production, plan and execute their own shows, and create their own films. It's super cool! Here my friends get to experience different roles of being a camera operator, floor manager or vision mixer, and learn what goes into making a television show in a studio. Equipped with HD digital cameras, multi-track recording studios, and a film soundstage, it looks and feels like a real television studio. This helps them to sharpen their technical skills through lots of hands-on exposure. Shh! We'll need to keep our voices down because we're heading to the movies. Yes, we have our very own movie theatre. Not only do we watch films as part of the curriculum, but we also hold our lectures here too. Psst! Want to chill and watch more movies? There's a CCA called SG New Wave, where you can get together with your friends to watch, critique, and discuss awesome movies. Enough about the visual experience though. Let me take you on a tour to our very own radio station. Want to be a radio presenter? You can do that right here at Radio Heatwave. As Singapore's first campus radio station, we've had our alumni, local radio DJs like Sonia Chew and Gerald Cole, kickstart their DJ careers here. Run by final year mass communication students, it operates just like any other commercial radio station in Singapore. Here, we get to interview local and international artists, cover music festivals and events. That's not all there is to FMS though. Let's head on over to the post-production facilities. Come on into our editing suites. They are often used by my friends from the media post-production course. Here, they sharpen their skills in audio and video post-production to create a multi-sensory experience. Check out what my friend is working on. She's trying to weave images together and sound effects to tell the story. At the School of Film and Media Studies, the possibilities are endless. Explore, experiment, and master your craft here. Ready for a promising start in the media industry? See you at the School of Film and Media Studies at Ngee Polytechnic.